Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the chemistry. My first question is the a chemical reaction involves option A physical change only. Option B formation of new substances. Option C no change. Option D only color changes. The correct answer will be B. A chemical change involve formation of the new substance. Question number 2. Which of the following is a chemical reaction? क्वेश्चन है, एक बार रिपीट कर लें. Which of the following is a chemical reaction? Option A, melting of ice, boiling of water, rusting of iron, dissolving sugar in water. So we know first is physical, second is also physical, third is also physical, rusting is chemical. So rusting of iron is the chemical reaction or chemical changes. So option C is correct. Question number third. A balanced chemical equation has equal mass on both sides, equal number of of the each element on both sides, equal molecules, equal volume. The correct answer will be equal number of atom of each element on both sides. Question number 4. Which type of reaction is A plus B equal to AB? Option A, decomposition reaction. Option B, combination reaction. Option C, displacement reaction. Option D, double displacement reaction. So that reaction is known as combination reaction. Combination reaction. A and B react and combined AB, so that is known as a combination reaction. For example, NH3 plus HCl for NH4Cl, CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2 form CH3 bond CH3. That is known as a combination reaction. Which reaction is decomposition reaction? Option A, AB divide into A and B, A plus B combined AB, A react BC, form AC plus B, AB react with CD, form AD plus CB. So we want to know about the decomposition reaction. In the decomposition reaction, any compound divided two or more than two new compounds known as decomposition reaction. So option A is the form of the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is the opposite of the association reaction. So you can see A plus B is equal to AB is the composition reaction, but A is the decomposition reaction. Question number 6. The reaction in which heat is released is called endothermic, exothermic, neutral, decomposition, Correct answer will be B. Exothermic reaction. The reaction in which heat is released is called exothermic reaction. Question number 7. The reaction in which heat is absorbed is called exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, displacement reaction, combination reaction. That reaction is known as endothermic reaction. So option B is correct. Question number 8. Rusting of iron requires oxygen only, water only, oxygen and water, carbon dioxide. Correct answer will be oxygen and water. So option C is correct. Question number 9. What is the chemical formula of the rust? FiO, option B, Fe2O3, option C, Fe2O3 dot XS2, D, Fe3O4. Correct answer will be C. Question number 10. Which reaction is displacement reaction? A plus B is equal to AB is equal to A plus B, C. A plus BC is equal to AC plus B. D. AB plus CD is equal to AD plus CD. So correct answer will be C. So C option is the displacement reaction, single displacement reaction. A is combination reaction. Option B is decomposition reaction. Option D is double decomposition reaction, double displacement reaction. So option C is correct. Question number 11. Which reaction is double displacement reaction? Option A plus B is equal to AB. Option B, AB is equal to A plus B. Option C, A plus BC is equal to AC plus B. Or option D, AB plus CD is equal to AD plus CB. Correct answer will be D. Option 12. The substance that is oxidized. A. Gain electron. B. Loses electrons. C. Does not charge change. D. Gain oxygen only. Correct answer will be B. Correct answer will be B. The substance that oxidizes loses electron. Question number 30. Reduction is the losses of electron, gain of electron, losses of oxygen, both B and C. So option D is correct. Option D correct. Gain of electron and loss of oxygen. So in the reduction, we can see gain of electron and loss of oxygen. So option D is correct. Question number 14. Which of the following is an example of the oxidation? Option A, gain of hydrogen. Option B, loss of oxygen. Option C, gain of oxygen. Option D, gain of electron. Correct answer will be C. Question number 15. Corrosion is option A, physical change. Option B, chemical change. Option C, temporary change. Option D, no change. The correct answer will be B. The corrosion is the chemical changes. Question number 16. Rancidity is caused due to reduction, oxidation of the fats and oils, evaporation, sublimation. Correct answer will be B. Oxidation of fats and the oils. Question number 17. Which method prevents rancidity? Exposure to air, addition antioxidants, heating, open storage. Correct answer will be B. Question number 18. Which of the following is an exothermic reaction? Photosynthesis, option B respiration, option C decomposition of calcium carbonate, option D melting ice. Correct answer will be B. Question number 19. The white color of the AgCl turn gray in sunlight due to option A oxidation, option B reduction, option C decomposition, option D displacement. The correct answer will be C, this decomposition. Option C will be decomposition. Question number 20. Which gas is evolved when zinc react with dilute acid? Option A oxygen, option B hydrogen, option C nitrogen, option D carbon dioxide. Correct answer will be hydrogen gas. So option B is correct. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Nice. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.